Mhm. So let's start how to make a new file or new folder inside your laptop or desktop. So we are now on the home screen, or you can see the desktop screen. Uh, right click on it to multiple options. Click on the new, click on the folder, make a new folder. Suppose we want to make a folder name, uh, main folder. So it makes me a new folder called main folder. Double click to open it, and now inside the main folder there is nothing. This folder is empty, it says. So if I want to make multiple subfolders, every multiple files, then simply right click on the blank space, click on new, click on folder. So name it like uh, subfolder one, subfolder one. Well, we can make multiple folders like subfolder two, and let me make another one, and subfolder three. No. We made three subfolders inside the main folder. Let me see once again. We created a main folder here inside our desktop. Double click to open it. We have created three folders by right click on the black space and clicking new and clicking folder. Similarly, we can make files, right click new and suppose txt document. So I name it file1.txt. Similarly, click on new, click on txt document, file2.txt. Now, inside the main folder, we have three subfolders and two files inside the main folder. Now, if I want to make uh, folders and files inside the subfolder one, then open the subfolder one by double click on it, double click left on it, left double click on it, and similarly, right click on the blank space, create a new folder, name it suppose SSS, and similarly, we can make files like .txt and DDD. So we have, let me recall once, like we have created a pen folder, double click to inside it, we have created three subfolders and two main files. Inside subfolder one, we have created a file name SSS and a folder name SSS and a file name ddd.txt. Now we're gonna learn how to open these folders, the main folder inside the VS Code. Open your VS Code, yeah, uh, get a new window, yeah. Open your VS Code. You can see an option here. This is called the option icon. Click on it, left click on it. It's gonna see show you multiple options like file, edit, selection, view, go, run, terminal, help. Now we want to open folder inside the VS Code. So click on file. It's gonna let you show another multiple options like new file, etc. You have a new window, etc. Click on the open folder here. Uh, Now listen, open folder is when you click on the open folder, it's gonna see show you the folders only, not files. Like we have created file 1.txt, file 2.txt inside our main folder. So they are not gonna show when I click on the open folder. Let me show you. I clicked on the open folder. Let me show you one second. I clicked on the option. Clicked on the file. Clicked on the open folder here, not open file, open folder here. Then I'm going to desktops. Click on the folder I created, that is main folder. Double click on it to go inside it. Okay. So you can see like inside it, I only gonna see the folders, not the two files I have created, named file1.txt, file2.txt. So go to your desktop, click on the main folder. Now you can see it's right main folder one. You can verify that like I have clicked on the main folder. If I gonna click the web dev folder, it's on the right web dev. You can remember it by like it's gonna let you show which folder you click. If I click the main folder, it's gonna change to main folder. So I clicked on the main folder once and click select folder. L. So VS Code gonna open the main folder. Inside main folder, I have three folders and two files, as you can see, as we have created. Now Inside subfolder 1, we have SSS folder and ddd.txt file. Now, if I want to open the subfolder 1 only, not the main folder, like I open the main folder, I want to open the subfolder only inside the VS Code. So similarly, I'm gonna click on the option, click on the file, click on the open folder, not open file, open folder, and I will click on the main folder to open it. Single click on the subfolder to select it. Like I selected subfolder 2, subfolder 3. So I clicked on the subfolder 1, select it, and select folder. Now inside subfolder 1, we have created SSS folder and ddd.txt file, and this two gonna show you. So if I want to make a new file inside, I just gonna right click on the empty space and click new file. Let's make it ggg dot md5. Suppose I gonna want just gonna make a like new file dot ggg dot md. We have created a new file. We have created two files and one folder inside the subfolder one. Similarly, if I want to make a new folder, simply right click on the blank space, click on new folder, uh, name it like ZZZ. We have created lab successfully created the ZZZ folder. Like we have now created two folders and two files. If I want to create new files, not folders. I want to create new multiple files inside the SSS. So I just click on it once, left click on the keywords to select it, then right click on it to similarly make new file and new folder. Another way to get new file and new folder is that click on the blank space here. Blank space means clicking on blank space means I want to create new files and new folders inside the subfolder one, not SSS, not ZZZ folder, inside the subfolder one folder. So I just click on left click on the blank space and I can see like these two options. This is the file, new file option and new folder option. If I want to make a new file, just click on it and name it like AAA .txt file. I have created a new file using this icon. Similarly, I can make new folder and then QQQ. Okay, so I created new folder and new file inside the subfolder one using these two icons. Similarly, if I want to make new file or new folder inside the SSH, just left click it once to select it and click on the new file to make new file inside the subfolder. Like it let me new file inside the folder, not inside the SSS folder, not the folder one. Let's name it like bs dot h, like name it like index dot html, and I want to like make two new files called file.css and paper.js. Like I have created three new files inside the folder SSS, not inside the folder subfolder one. Inside the subfolder one, I have created three folders and three files. Inside SSS, I have created three new files. Now, similarly, I can make a new folder just by left click with left and click new folder to make it like let's name it src means source. Okay. And similarly, we can make new files or new folders by selecting the folder src and clicking these options whatever we want, and else we can right click on the click once the src folder and right click on it to show the options new file new folder. Okay, now let me take you to the original main folder we have created. Okay, you can see like inside the main folder we have created three subfolders and two files. Here also we can make new files or new folders by right click on the space, blank space, or by clicking the these two options. Now if I want to delete a file, just click on it and right click on it and rename. If you want to rename it to file21, you're gonna rename it to file2 to file21 and select it and right click on file. Similarly, if I want to delete the subfolder one, right click on it and delete the subfolder one. Subfolder two, subfolder three. That's it, I think. So yeah, bye.